Welcome to Classy Fashion Ideas. So, friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Now, let's move to the details of this video. In this video, I'm here with you along with a very stylish, top trending, soft and comfortable handmade, hand knitted crochet dresses for your baby girls. If you have baby girls and you are planning to design some soft and comfortable dresses, but at the same time stylish and princess type look dresses for your baby girls, then this video collection is entirely for you. The basic purpose of this video is to share some amazing yet easy, classy and stylish crochet design patterns for crochet beginners, for crochet lovers, and as well for crochet artists. If you are a crochet artist and you are fed up of making some sort of simple, traditional, and basic designs, and you are looking for some latest, unique, and easy to make crochet design patterns for your clients, for the baby girls of your clients, then this video collection is entirely for you. You can get amazing design ideas of hand knitted shoes, frocks, and baby accessories. You can get amazing color combination ideas, styling patterns. You can use frock yokes as crochet knitting, and other you can use for body whole fabric material, and you can design these by making some crochet colorful flowers and decorating them with beads and pearls. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, kindly friends, please like the video, and if you are non-subscriber, then hurry up and subscribe our channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with every new video of our channel. Thank you so much for watching the video. Keep supporting us and loving us.